YouTube, what is good with y'all boys? We are back with another video today. First thing first on the agenda, we're gonna install this oil cooler because it is getting hot. It's 71 degrees already right now, and it's only not even 11 o'clock. It's supposed to hit 80 today. So I got this 1-inch socket so I can install the sandwich plate, because last time I did it with a wrench, whatever you want to call it, and it was a pain in the butt to do like that. So I bought this. And I bought some trying to steal my money. And I bought these so I can drill it into the core support, therefore it will be still. Because how I did it last time, my old car was not good at all. I mean, it held up, but I personally didn't like it. It was janky, and I don't want to do it like that again. So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when I get back to the crib. And another thing, the OEM Sport Lip, I might be able to install that today. I dropped that off to the guy to get it painted on Thursday. It had a few cracks in it, so he's gonna fix that as well. So he might be able to install that today. How that's gonna go on, I don't know, but we'll figure it out. All right, y'all, we did get the oil cooler on. I kind of had to zip tie it again because the bracket that I had that came with my old oil cooler, as y'all know, I got sent the new one because the old one was, I stripped the threads from tightening it too tight. So the oil cooler, the part that puts it on the core support, I broke it and I threw it in the trash. So I have to order a new one, so it's zip tied for now. We're just driving around now and make sure it's not leaking or nothing, and then we'll be good. Putting the bumper on, I god dang it, lost this bolt, so I'm gonna have to go up here to Nissan real quick, see if I can find this bolt, and I need to get some rivets because mine are all gone. Where? Who knows? I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, this is the only static car I would consider ever driving. Cleanest Passat in Nashville, don't even lie.
Check out the camera.
So this will be my first time. Would you call this static or stance? Which one?
Stance is like more like better fitment.
So what would you call it? Static?
I don't know. It's not really that low.
Not that low.
See?
That's literally my foot. I don't know. We just gonna call it, we'll say static. Driving my first static car. Alright, this is my first time. I'm gonna chop up that next part, but this is gonna be my first time driving a static car for real. I've been driving like a little B accordingly to Erwin this whole other time. So we're gonna drive normal, I guess now. We're gonna see. And this man subs is hitting. All right, y'all, POV. Shit.
Did you go all the way through the second level? No, like on the gas pedal. Did you feel like?
I didn't want. I wasn't all the way on the ground. Oh, there you go. Oh shit. Oh fuck. I'm gonna go this construction road right here.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yes, man. We're gonna be in this bitch like this.
No.
Over here bouncing.
Just don't be scared to start hearing noises.
Don't be scared when I hear the gas tank dragging on the ground. All right.
You know how people steal Cadillac converters?
Yeah, you can't steal yours because your damn car.
I ain't got one. We're gonna steal gas tanks and shit, bro.
This man, you gonna need one. If y'all remember, this car last time wasn't too pretty. I should have beat him a whole lot more than what I did. This man ain't got shit in here this time. It ain't that bad. Yeah, a little bit. He just ain't got no back seats or trunk. So we gonna see. Shouldn't be that bad.
Basic bolts on, bro. No
yeah,
tune.
basic bolt on, no tune. But he quick. I don't know about that over there, but yeah, he quick. 3.7, this ain't a 3.0. What's done to these two? Both on, I mean, just down pipes?
Just down pipes and intakes.
Oh yeah, he beat me last time. All right, you ain't beat me. You caught up to me. Probably about like 140.
I got the receipts. Yeah.
It wasn't a beat. I got the receipts too. It's on YouTube.
Nah, it was like head on, bro.
Yeah. All right, y'all, McGee. We're gonna got a couple runs in. It was a white Q that beat me last time my old car, so we're gonna rerun him. Hey, I'll say that was some pretty decent shifting right there. That was decent. Gonna need to be a little bit better than that though. Y'all see the price of E85? Ridiculous. Smell it, y'all. Heck no. Don't that smell good?
What?
E85 smell like food. Alright, come on, y'all ready? Keep up. You too, we are back with another banger today. Ain't that right? First, we're gonna get our little energy up. Might be already up, but who knows. Telling y'all, I'm gonna bring a bike to the channel. Just wait on it. Whenever my girlfriend gives me approval. As well, we might have a daily, but we will have a daily coming to the channel real quick. I think y'all might like it. I don't know if y'all will or won't, but we're gonna see. If it's something interesting to bring to the channel. So yeah, that'll be coming soon. Keep the miles off of the G. trying to do a 40 roll. Trying to do a dig with me. Let's do a dig.
Hey, you gotta get the car and give him one car.
Hell no, I'm gonna spin.
One car and a hit.
Nah, I get a hit.
One car.
Gosh.
Was this for you last
Yeah.